Good morning. How you guys doing? I'm here in Las Vegas, as you can see right behind me, and I got the Virgin Hotel. I'm here in the top floor. I just want to tell you guys that this video right here, it's about last year, 2025, the places that I've been and the catering companies that I work for, and I just wanted to show you guys a little bit and things that you guys can do and what you can learn from. Some quick information just for you, so you know, here in Las Vegas, if you're thinking about coming down here and working, I'm just kind of trying to pan around so you guys see where I'm at. It's really cool out here, and you can see the sphere back there. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys, just give you a little tip of information. The average cook out here in the casinos on the strip, not around the valley area, they make around $28 and change. It's going to go up to 29 pretty quick. Executive chefs make about 87 to 85. Executive sous chefs on the strip again, and the room chefs that are in charge of the restaurants, they make almost about 100,000. Some make about 100,000. The executive chef who oversees all the restaurants in the casino, they make well over $100,000. Just a little tip for you guys. So if you're thinking about doing that, around the valley area, they don't make as much in the smaller restaurants, stuff like that. So it's probably around $20 or maybe some places less. Every house is different. The hours you're going to work are going to be different. But if you're into the management executive level, you're going to be working at least 10 or 11 hours. It's not every day, because some days you have that are slower and you can get out a little sooner, but you are going to be working at least 55 hours a week for management positions, chef positions. Okay, so enjoy this video and leave a comment. Please subscribe and like, and let me know if you have any questions or you want to see any further videos. Just let me know and share. Okay, God bless everybody. I mean, I don't think, if I even had the money, I think I'd do other things with it. Yeah, I know. They can live in something like this.
Shit, this is bigger than my condo. So he got money because he rich.
Crazy. All right, so this catering that we did at Spring Mountain was really fun. Everybody loved it. There's Chef Jackie coming up, setting down the plates. She's the owner of Finesse Catering. This is our Graze table, and the Graze table is very popular. She sells quite a bit of them. And a lot of these props you can find everywhere online, Amazon, or at your local thrift store. So it's a charcuterie board, and underneath there we're using some cake boards that are lined. They're kind of like plastic, so it doesn't really drip and leak through. And then we have the little the little cups and plates we put, like our petit fours, and did you see there, like our our little dessert things. We put those in those little cups. You can find those online, and I will put a link to the website that we use from there. Hi, Chef Jackie. And it's a big place, and those are some of our prep that we did the night before or the morning of. You can see bacon ranch shrimp, some simple stuff, and then we just finish it off once we get there. Bring it there in the foil pans, and there's our setup for our table right there with the race cars, because all these mansions surround a racetrack. Look at that pull out there. Wow, so nice. It was just so cool. All those doors are open. They're like garage doors, and they just open wide up, so you're like outside when you're inside. Look at that. Big old kitchen. Look at the upstairs right there. High ceilings. It's so amazing. And yeah, like I said, they loved it. That was at Prim in Spring Mountain. It was such a great event.
He's never seen a fridge.
I'm just curious to go upstairs real fast. They said we can check it out, so I'm going to check it out. Oh, there's a race car up here. Check that out. It's a real life race car in here. Can you believe that? Wow. Beautiful place. Check out that view from the balcony.
So I'm telling you guys, if you want to go learn more foods and presentations, go work for your local catering companies. Just jump on Google and find out where catering companies are and give them a call. This is how I found this place. Talked to the owner and she hired me on the spot. Here's the house right here.
It's crazy. Check out the morning view of the sun coming up and the moon right there.
So check out these cars. F1 was going on at the time, and these race cars were everywhere. And you can get up close and check them out and see all the memorabilia they had everywhere. It was really cool to see, touch the tires and all that stuff. And again, it was a good time, and there was a lot going on during F1. Crazy for traffic and parking, but it really brought a lot of revenue into Las Vegas.
We're here, the F1, Formula F1. Finally, I made it out here. Yeah, look at that. F1, Planet Hollywood. The big view right here. Live concert out here, looks like. So here we are, last day of the festival. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that got you guys some insight on stuff. Hello, you guys. Introduce yourself. Guess who I got here?
Hi, I'm Harper from the YouTube channel Pastagrammer. We're here with Chef James.
Yes, and we're enjoying ourselves here at the 2025 Fancy Food Show.
Yeah.
So it's great meeting you guys.
Nice to
I can't wait
meet
to
you.
see you guys. And I love your channel, and I wish you years of success.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
You guys, take care. So take a look at this venue here in Las Vegas. It was an awesome TV studio setup. Big screens wrapped around all over the place, cameras, very, very professional, and lighting all over the place. To the left side, we have the ballroom, could seat up to 200 guests. We can decorate it any way we want. Behind the scenes down the hall, we had our coffee and our hot drink setups, and around the corner behind the curtain, we did all our food setup. So we're at the 5th floor right here, the Cosmopolitan, where the F1 is going on down below, going around Las Vegas Boulevard. I was looking at that building right there. It was just got me dizzy. So on the 5th floor, you can see how everything is set up. We have down there below all kinds of high tops, music, stage, and this was our Cosmopolitan Christmas party, holiday party, where I did some event carvings for one of our displays out there. But this was a 3-day event, 24/7, because we have 6,000 employees at Cosmopolitan. Here's my carvings. Take a look. This was a beautiful event. This was a wedding reception at a penthouse in Summerlin, Las Vegas. All setups, chafing dishes, and a variety of food laid out there in the kitchen. The people that lived there, and we're probably about 15 floors up. It was a great event. And there's the wedding cake. And then I wanted to take a look at the view and see Las Vegas Strip in the distance as I try to zoom in. You can take a look and see for yourself. Okay, recording. Oops, I was in your shot. I didn't know that. What's the grilled cheese here, Chef? Is that brie?
Brie, yeah.
All brie grilled?
Yep. Yes, sir.
Looks good. I didn't think about grilling
And then, yeah, man. Yeah, that's perfect. And then red wine marinated parm.
Okay. Parm. Is this brulee? Brulee? Goat cheese?
No, this is actually
custard?
that's cheesecake.
Bass cheesecake?
Mini
Okay.
Bass cheesecake.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, man. And then
So what's
all
it-
of these are sourdough cookies.
Sourdough,
Okay.
sourdough cookies.
Okay. Let's put like this.
Bass cheesecake.
Actually, my favorite bagel. It's so good, right? Yeah. So,
You wouldn't think a place like this would be here in Las Vegas. It's 2 banquet rooms. Here's the bar and the foyer. There's a golf shop. Here's the front. We go all the way down the hall into the office. Beef Wellington. Crazy. There's a private place within a private place right there.
Yeah, there's a few of those.
And they're still building.
Oh yeah, they've been blowing up the mountain since last year, man, to start carving into it, building more houses.
Yeah, you get some celebrities up here and some rock stars. For sure. You got plants. So that's the end of the video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some great information from there. Like I said, go on Google, go to your local catering companies, meet chefs, call them on the phone. Like I said, I got that job with Finesse Catering. The number was actually her direct number, Chef Jackie. And she gave me a quick interview over the phone because I said I was looking for some work, some part-time work. She asked me to come down to the local commissary kitchen and just do a stage. A stage is French. It means you're just going to go do like an audition for a couple hours and go work with some of her cooks over there. So I did that, and then she got back to me, and her cooks told her I did a great job. So she said I'm hired, and I started working from that day forward. So go to your local caterers if you know any, and you find any pamphlets around, and go speak with them. You're gonna learn a lot. And don't worry about the pay so much. If you're young and you can afford it, it may be not what you're looking for as far as pay, but you're gonna learn a hell of a lot. You're gonna learn some presentations you never thought of, how they do it, how they pack it, how they ship it and store the food, all the little tricks and stuff, and how it's presented in the little petit four cups, the people you're going to meet, you're going to network. It's so worth it. And when I was younger, I did that, and I just got a lot of work from that. And it's good when work is slow. You have all these catering companies, you network with a lot of chefs, your phone will be full, you'll be getting calls for people asking you to come and help them out, and the money will increase because your worth will increase, your knowledge will increase. So ask a lot of questions, follow that path, and you're on your way. Good luck, you guys. God bless.